Good morning, everybody, and Merry Christmas. It's 9 o'clock a.m. on Christmas morning, 2021, and unseasonably warm here at about 60 degrees. Yesterday was just a little over 70 and actually broke a record that had stood since the 1880s, so it doesn't feel a whole lot like Christmas here. But I wanted to take this time to post this quick video and just address the fact that I hadn't posted many videos lately. I had a kind of turbulent fall in early November. I was diagnosed with COVID, spent about 2 weeks fighting that, have had a persistent cough after that, and found out that I have pneumonia. So taking care of that, not a big deal, no worries there. I hope to get back to editing and posting videos soon, and even if they're not as timely as I would have liked, I'll be getting those out there soon. But this time of year I did want to come out here and address that this has been quite a year for a lot of people. Coming into 2021, I know a lot of people hoped it would be a great improvement over 2020, and it may not have been that for many people. For me, it's been eventful in the creation of this channel. I know in the last couple of months that I haven't even been posting new videos. I've gotten several new subscribers, and I welcome all of you, and I'm glad to have you here. And I hope that I can make this channel something that will be beneficial for you. As we go into 2022, I hope that it brings you prosperity and blessings in the new year. So from our tiny suburban homestead, I wish to you and your families peace and joy and a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a Happy New Year. I'll see you on the next video.